Okay, this is a bottle of water. You can clearly see how much air we have in it now. I put salt in it. We put 1 teaspoon. We're going to just do a teaspoon at a time and see if we can get it in there in the right range. I think this will work because salt, I know when I put it in water when I'm like cooking and stuff, it goes to the bottom. You have to mix it in. And I know in the ocean, salt water and fresh water, they don't mix well. So I think that the salt water and the regular water here are not going to be the same buoyancy. So let's try it out. So this is just 1 bottle with 1 teaspoon of salt. I have a feeling it's going to float to start, but we'll go from here. Because that's obviously floating a lot. So we're going to go and put a lot more salt in here. I'm going to try maybe a tablespoon instead of a teaspoon.
So we put a teaspoon and a tablespoon in this, and now
we'll see what happens here. Okay, so now I put it in here. Nice and gently. Ooh. So you know what I noticed this time is, you can see the water is, like the level of the water in the tub is above the level of the water in the bottle. So it's definitely gone down because last time they were equal. The air in the bottle where the water and the air meet, that was the same level as this water, and the whole bottle was sticking out this much. So now with the salt in, it's definitely pulling it down. So now you can see the salt in the bottom of the bottle here. Okay, let's put some more in. Let's see what happens. Okay, we put a lot more salt. I didn't measure it because I knew I needed a lot, but let's see what happens. Yeah.
just the lid.
Okay, we are close. Let's keep going.
And I would measure it this time.
All right, we found our next challenge after we get this done. Someone has to chug this entire bottle of salt water.
My dad is.
Yeah, Hannah will do it, and I'll record her. Okay,
I'll try it.
I didn't measure it again because I feel like the cap is very buoyant, which means it's going to float. So I think the cap's really going to be the biggest part. Maybe
I noticed something.
I can try.
I noticed that it kind of looks like it has more water in it whenever you add more salt.
Well, because I'm taking up more space with the salt, so it makes the water level rise. Good observation. All right, here we go. Let's try it again. I think we're going to be close, but I think I'm going to need to put more salt in it still.
3, 2, 1, and go.
Uh-oh.
Now what?
Well, now I can't get salt out of it. Not
So now
easily.
that's the end of the video.
No.
Are you going to help me?
Yes, I will.
Maybe add more water. There you go.
It's floating.
Okay, yep, definitely floating.
Yeah, definitely floating.
It's close, but
Honestly, it's perfect.
it was floating.
Yeah. Isn't that what you wanted?
No, we want it to be right in the middle. Not floating, not sinking. Pause it here?
No.
Yes. Okay, we took a time out. Now we are back. So this bottle is currently floating just by a millimeter. You know, it's just very close. So we are going to measure out the salt that we put in. This is a teaspoon, and we're actually putting in just a tiny little bit. I think we're going to need more than that, but we'll see.
As you can see, the water turns yellow after you add in salt. It's really weird.
It looks like lemonade, which will make it taste better when you drink it later, right? Okay, here we go. Don't plop it, just set it in, because then you have to wait for the water to... Okay, so still floating.
Are you sure?
Let go, don't touch anything. Okay, it's at the surface. Yeah, so it's bouncing off the surface right now. Okay, great. So let's do a little bit more salt.
So like that. See?
Woo, nice grab. I don't think I got that on camera.
You can try this at home. It's It's really hard though.
Okay, so just a little tiny bit of salt. Okay, try it again. I think this might overdo it actually. I don't know. I thought we'd need a lot more, but I was wrong. Shake, shake, shake.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah. All right, here we go. We're setting the bottle in again. And what are we doing? Is it on the bottom?
Yes, no.
Let's see if we push on it. Does it go down? Ooh, it does go down a little bit. Let's see if I push it all the way down to the bottom and then let go. That might be a win. Let's see. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. That is so cool. If you can see, we are clearly not touching the bottom by a long shot. And we are clearly not touching the top.
Oh, now it might be touching the bottom. Oh, it's not. Oh, 2 wins!
There you go.
Are you gonna send it to Matt?
So Mark, we'll send this video off to you, and I hope you love it. I don't have a YouTube account or anything, but
bye, Mark. That was really awesome. I loved your videos.
and if you can't tell from the stuff behind us, we also had a will it float challenge, banana that my son then ate, some butter, and a bunch of other stuff. Softball.
Softball.
So thanks a lot for the challenge. It was a lot of fun. We enjoyed it, and can't wait to watch your next video tomorrow. See you later.